peeps, how's going? Short video this week, just on the trucks that are around the place. There's Rob checking his tyres on SL079. Now I know a lot of you guys out there know where these trucks service, what suburbs they service, so let us know in the comments. SL91, Dennis Eagle. Looks like a bit of a beastie. You can see half the trucks are gone already. There's a few different start times to different suburbs. Some start at 6 and some are like an hour away. My system that starts at 7, so we leave here at like 6:15. So that's why there's only half the trucks here. Here comes another Dennis Eagle. I'd say those two trucks are for East Rio. I could be wrong, let us know in the comments. This little guy here at the transfer station, rear loader, keeping off. Got a good shot of him. I actually got stuck behind this guy the next day as well. Our times at the tip seem to be close. Actually, the next day I got stuck behind 4 of them. They all must finish at the same time or something. Juice. Gross. Big line up at the tip. It's probably around 12:30, somewhere like that, so everybody's pretty much heading in, I guess, off their first load. I know I am. But they're pretty good at the tip. They pump through the trucks. They do a great job. Like it looks full there, but once you get it off the Weighbridge, it's pretty plain sailing. Okay. Next morning, driving out. This is me and Benno on the bush run. SL81. Try not to stick too close behind the other trucks because, you know, it's a bad look, 2 trucks racing down the road together. But for this video, I thought I'd try and get close to him, give you guys a look. It's put him a little under pressure, that's why his bin's fallen over. And that's why I don't like coming up behind people too much. You know, you want people to do a good job. Don't need to be putting pressure on them. I've worked with Benno for, 14 years on and off. Bush run's pretty big, takes us all day to do it, so we're going to go flat out all day. We do get a hand at the end of the day, but you know, anything could happen. Trucks could break down, so yeah, it's just flat out all day long. Good fun, the bush run. And there's a great lunch bar in the middle of it where we park up and have a feed together. Benno's a great operator. I've worked with him, like I said, for 14 years. He's the cleanest guy. He keeps that truck immaculate. Never seen anything like it. So good on you, Benno. You're a legend, mate. I was having my Arvo fatigue break, and another truck rocked up to give me a hand, but I only didn't have that much left to do, so sent him home. But it was great that he came out and offered. Great company that I work for. Alright, now we're back at the yard. The trucks are double stacked. We got a few trucks. $26, $33, $22. We got them all. Morning, there's Benno getting AdBlue. I think the AdBlue tank was empty the day before, so they got it filled up overnight. Everyone's topping up. Busted up front lift truck. Driving into the yard, end of the day. Everyone's coming in. Come in, fuel up. Reloader. Couple of Eagles. Workshop. Sun in our eyes, it's a good line up here for the fuel bowser. The fuel bowser's quick as, so you know, whenever you line up at this place, whether it's at the Weighbridge or here, it doesn't take long. It's pretty efficient. It's great. Love it. And I'll show you. We're sitting in line. I won't edit any of this bit. Just check it out. How quick everything moves along. Sun's annoying as. There we go. There's two bowsers there. Don't have to wait in line too long. Even though the line's long, moves along pretty quick. park her up. I'm one of the last trucks to leave in the morning, so I like to park right down the end if I can. Let everybody else go in the morning. That was the reverse brake jamming on. Looked like I hit something, but I didn't. Today anyway. This old beastie park up. Taking off in the morning, heading out. Some of the things we see are pretty funny, and this is one of them.
I interviewed President Zelensky on Monday, and it aired last night, and he said this about if Ukraine, as part of any settlement with Russia, which remains...
Okay, back at the Murph, this semi-driver got angry at me because he thought I was going to push in. He was flashing his lights and beeping his horn and going off. So I let him through, and then I had to sit behind him for 5 minutes while he stuffed around getting his docket. But all good. To wait like ages for this semi. He's got to weigh both trailers, and he's got to get out, walk down to the Weighbridge, which takes a while because it's a long vehicle, and then he goes in the office and he waits for his docket, or he does whatever he does. It takes ages, but all good. Get paid by the hour.
Copy, Dave Mechanic. I'll get this Greenway truck in. That's
So
okay.
here we are behind another trailer, K-Trans.
Yeah, right there, Graham.
I'll show you how quick it takes me to get through the Weighbridge. But you know, I come here every day, so it's all on the computer. Not long at all. The camera takes a photo of a number plate and pretty much brings it all up on the screen, and push a couple of buttons and I've got my docker and I'm out of there.
Copy, Dave Mechanic. Yeah, we do, Bobby.
Dock it on the dash and off we go.
Is that alright? That's all
That
right.
easy. Well, that quick. That quick
You
and
like
easy.
for it to be open, mate? I'm waiting on you. Yeah. Double waste transfer, Greenway come in door 1. And glass truck when he's the double after you follow him in as well. Glass truck, thank you. Copy, 607. Hey, Graham. Oh, you just sent me an email. Chuck a sticky for Super Bowl. Okay, sorry. Double in the barn door 1. Say that, Walker.
Well peeps, that's about it for this video. Pretty lame. Didn't get any bin lift and stuff. Do that next week. Get back into it. It's a Friday, we're all going home. It's over. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want to see anything or a particular truck. Leave a comment, see what I can do. Fuck man, not only are you slow lifting bins, you're slow at fueling up too.
Well, like I'm not working tomorrow. I thought I'd make, nah, I'm not working tomorrow, so I thought I'd make the hours up now.
Yeah, you might as well.
So,
36.50, 36.50.
that's what's so fucking Benno when he starts getting, you know, Benno gets like